Are you having problems with Microsoft Office not locating the mso40uiwin32 client DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before diving into the manual fix for mso40uiwin32 client, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the mso40uiwin32 client, a specialized Microsoft Office UI Client library. It manages the unmanaged rendering of ribbons and menus for Office 2010 applications, facilitating the localized visual productivity manifest. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of Microsoft Office to repair the core installation and restore the necessary mso40uiwin32 client DLL component. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including mso40uiwin32 client. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace mso40uiwin32 client DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for mso40uiwin32 client. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure mso40uiwin32 client remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.